Good morning, all students. Today, I will discuss in the subject of physics in class 8. The chapter name is a force and pressure. First of all, here the name of force. You already know about what is force. Pull and push are called force in the physics language. But if we discuss the force in a whole manner, this is not a complete word of a force, and this is not a full meaning of a pull and push is a force definition. Because if we discuss about that matter, force is including a pushing and pulling, except the lifting, stretching, pushing and twisting, pressing, include all things except the pushing and pulling, and all the things and all the factors which we have discussed before, all include in pressure. When we want to open the door, here we have to apply a force as a pushing or as a pressing. If we staying in the room and wants to open the door, then we will certainly pulling, and if you have to closing the door in the room, then it will be certainly we have to pressing. Then this is the fact of clearly understanding that push and pull is work to as a helper of the door closing and opening. For the some factors affecting to the force, and this factor is when any things are staying at a place and we want to go another place to that of things. One person is pushing for the things in a side. The things are goes in the opposite direction, and if any other person was in the same things pressing on the opposite side, then it is the things depends the moving is which side of the force is greater. If the first side of the pressure is greater than the second side of the pressure, then the things is moving towards the second person's side. If the first person of the first side of the person is the force is lesser than the second side of the person, then it will be certainly the things is goes towards the first person side. Then it is clearly shows for this example, the things is only move towards the force opposite side, and the force has a magnitude as well as a direction, and If anything we have to apply the force on that things, then it is surely will be move on the opposite direction of the applying force. And if any other things is in place of any place, and one person are applying the force of one side, another person applying the force in other side, then here if both the sides of the person, so force are equal, then the things is not any type of movement at that time, and the things is stationary and looking like not applying any type of force in on that place. Force effects of the force which was the causes of the things affecting on this. A force can move a stationary object. It means if anything is stay in a particular place, then if he wants to give the moment of that things, that it is much necessary to applying the force, then if we applying the force, then the things will be move at the opposite side of the direction. And the second things is a force can stop a moving object. If any things are moving at any particular direction and the person wants to stay the things, so the person is applying the force of the things which we have to moving on, the moving things opposite side applying the force, and the things are stop that place. And the third, a force can change the speed of a moving object. If you want to anything which we have to moving a particular speed, and the person wants to decrease the speed, then it will be certainly necessary for this is to applying a force, and we have to applying the force, then the thing's speed is decreased. And with the help of the force, we can change the direction of moving object also. If a football player kick the football a particular direction is moving, and the other football player wants to change the direction. For this, he applying the force, and the things, it means the football change the direction. This example shows a force can change the direction of moving object, and force also change the shape and size of the things. If anything shape like this is the shape, and we apply the force, the thing's shape is also changed. So the force is a factor to change the shape and size of anything. And after this, how many type of force? Then here are two type of force: contact force and non-contact force. Contact force means the things which we have to contact anything or for the force. It means if we want to take the moment of anything, then if we push or pull that things, the things is moving. It means when we have to wants to give the motion for these things, then we have to apply a force and contact it. So here is the example to pushing or pulling any things, that without the contact the things are not, to that of the things is in moving on. So in the muscular force, through the muscular force, any work we have done to anything, that this example is the muscular force is a contact force of the example, and the other contact force example is a frictional force. When anything is running on any particular place, then the things is after some time the speed decreasing. The decreasing speed is only responsible for the frictional force, which we have to apply on the things all the time in the moving of the things opposite side. And after some time the thing is not a condition of moving. So a frictional force is also the example of a contact force, and second type of force is a non-contact force. Then something is moving without contact anything. If we take a magnet and apply the iron things, the iron things attract towards the magnet and goes towards the magnet. This type of events and this type of work is showing the non-contact force, and this happening was the event of magnetic force. With the help of magnetic force, this type of event is going on. And the second example through a gravitational force is a non-contact force. When anything is take and free for the open environment, then the things is going on the earth. What happened is, then the earth attract the things, all the things on the earthly things, and the things in rapidly goes to the earth surface without any contact. This type of without any contact moving is an example of gravitational force, and the gravitational force also relate to the contact force. So today is sufficient understanding for the students, and I hope you all understand. If any type of problem create, then you consult this channels